Welcome to how to tutorial videos. Today we are going to talking something about this Redmi Xiaomi Mi Band 3. Yes, it has a dock like this that can charge it, but if you fit it, it will get out easily, very easily. It's very looseable. It's very loose that it's not that much good to charge your this smart band. But that how you can do and what you can do. First of all, I request Xiaomi Mi, please give us a replace of this product free of cost. Give everyone who had just purchased this, because this dock is not working, not very good for work. So please, and what we have to do, just we have to insert it into it, and after that you can see that it's getting charging, and after that automatically it stops. Look at that, it automatically stops charging. Then we have to press it very hardly, and now what I can suggest you that it's for people, not for Mi, that we can add a rubber on this. Yes, we can add a rubber on this that it can be easily charged. Okay, look at that, now it's charging, no problem, not getting out easily. It's very, now it's easy to charge, but Mi should do something for the users, because this dock is not very good. This is not and I think that it's not with me, it's with everyone. So, and hope you understand that how we can get rid of this. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video with your family and friends, and be with us, keep learning, subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like that. Be with us, keep learning. How to tutorial.